An unexpected wake-up call for one of a dozen suspected drug dealers in Stockport this morning. More than 150 police officers carried out coordinated raids just before dawn at 14 homes. It comes after detectives spent months gathering intelligence which led them to the suspects. In total, 11 men and 1 woman have been arrested on suspicion of conspiracy to supply Class A drugs, including 1 man at this flat. The suspect has now been taken into custody and officers from the Tactical Aid Unit are inside the flat carrying out a thorough search for any evidence that could be used in a prosecution.
I think the officers have done an extremely professional job. We've secured a number of important offenders. We've got them secure in custody now, and this morning and later today we'll be going through an interview process, and very soon they'll be facing the courts.
And today's operation is not just about kicking doors in. It's also about a message of reassurance and confidence.
Earlier in the morning, the officers involved in the raids were briefed on Operation Navajo. The Chief Constable of Greater Manchester Police was there and accompanied the Tactical Aid Unit to one of the addresses.
Sometimes these are long-term operations. It involves a huge effort in terms of evidence gathering, but these sorts of operations show that we will follow it up and that we're trying to hit the drug market and the drug dealers really at all stages. We're picking up information from local people, but this sort of operation is only part of an overall strategy where we're hitting dealers, hitting addicts, but at the same time also at the other end of the game dealing with the organised crime groups that we know are feeding the market and are trying to import drugs into the country.
The information that led to these raids came from people in the community. Greater Manchester Police hoping these arrests will both deter drug dealers and reassure the public. Ben Bland, Channel M News.